Hi, my name is Rainer from Ray Outfitted. Today we're going to be installing the Eberspaecher AquaSystem in this van that's behind us. These are all of the components that come in the kit from Eberspaecher. Nice and tight there. So with our hand on the outlet pipe, we can feel the heater is working. We can also tell by all the sounds it's making. So what we're going to do is shut down the heater, take it outside, and let it run for about half an hour to clean out everything and make sure everything's good. So now that we've done all of our testing on our heater system and our electrical system, we've got a little bit of work left to do on the cabinetry, and then it's ready to deliver to the client.
Ready? So here we are in the kids' bunks. Right now the children that this is for is I think about 1.5, and one isn't born yet. So they'll have a few years of being able to enjoy this before they maybe outgrow it. But it holds up to 150 pounds per bunk, thus I can sit here.